All right, we are going to talk about the disassembly and reassembly of your Tikka T3x Lite bolt. This works for Tikka T3x as well. 4 parts of the bolt is the bolt body, 1, the bolt handle, 2, your firing pin, which is this rectangular piece right here, and then your bolt shroud, which surrounds the firing pin. So we can see that the firing pin is in a little bit of an indent in the bolt body. So we need to get that up and out and twisting it this way. So what is that? Clockwise, away from the firing position. So the firing position is this little slip inwards right here, right above the hole close to the bolt handle. So we have to lift it up and twist to the right. Usually I use an edge of the table just to catch that lip so I can easily twist it from there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so I got it out of that position. You can see that little indent right there. So what we're gonna do is continue to twist it clockwise until we line up with where the bolt handle indent is. At that point, the bolt shroud just comes right off. Now we've got a little bit of a hole here in between the firing pin and the bolt body. This is where a 1/8 inch Allen key is gonna be perfect. You slide that in there, and we're gonna return this to neutral. You're gonna hear a click, and then we're gonna lift up and put it into the firing position. So at that point in the firing position, your Allen key is gonna become wedged in. But once you're in the firing position, your bolt handle comes right off and you can take out your firing pin. So there's your 4 parts. You can touch this up, clean it as needed, lubricate it as needed, make sure everything's intact, and we can talk about putting it back together. So putting it back together is quite simple. It's everything in reverse. Put the firing pin back in, and we're gonna make sure that we are in the firing position here to start. Then we're gonna get our bolt handle and slide that back in as well. Once the bolt handle is in, we have to get out of the firing position. So we're gonna lift up. This requires a little bit of effort. Lift up, twist it, get into neutral. And then we're gonna go a little bit past neutral again. So lift up and get out. And I like to line it up again, right where this bolt handle indent is. I'm gonna take out my 1/8 inch Allen key. I'm gonna slide my bolt shroud on all the way down onto the bolt body, and then I'm gonna twist counterclockwise for it to lock into place. So if I twist this way towards that firing pin, it comes off. Sorry, the firing handle indent, it comes off. If I push down and turn away, it locks in. And now I'm gonna get it back into neutral, and you're all set. That's how you disassemble and reassemble your Tikka T3x Lite. Cheers.